Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from Dreambaby. Today we're going to take a look at a fantastic product to help prevent flat-screen TVs from dangerously tipping over on young children. Dreambaby's flat-screen TV saver was developed to help put parents' mind at ease by securing flat-screen TVs to a heavy piece of furniture or to secure them to the wall. When properly secured, these straps help prevent young children from tipping over the TVs. For best results, it is important to discourage children from playing with the TV, which can even get very hot. It's a good idea to ensure from time to time that the straps are firmly secured into place. Just another simple way Dreambaby can help make your home safer for children and put your mind at ease.